Assuming you're searching for Chilliz cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Chilliz CHZ will go from now on. We will examine the previous costs of Chilliz CHZ and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally unimaginable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Chilliz is 0.2265 and CHZ is right now positioned #77 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Chilliz is 888,289,967 with a market cap of $124,62,309. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Chilliz's cost has shown a decent increment of 45% as of now. For most recent 7 days, the CHZ was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 687%. Chilliz has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Chilliz Benefit Number Cruncher is a free instrument that permits you to quickly assess the presentation of your CHZ possessions by working out likely benefits and misfortunes in light of fluctuating business sector costs. Just enter the sum you have contributed, the purchasing cost, and the sell value, expense, and our CHZ adding machine will wrap up. We anticipate future Chilliz cost expectations estimate by applying profound man-made consciousness-helped specialized examination on the past value information of Chilliz. We give our all to gather most extreme, authentic information for the CHZ coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Chilliz market cap, Chilliz volume, and barely any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our forecasts. Chilliz Value Forecast Synopsis. The typical extended cost for Chilliz in 2025 is supposed to be $122.99. with expected change somewhere in the range of $122.33 and $127.73. The cost of one CHZ would reach as high as $0.78 by 2030. Chilliz is as of now valued at $0.1265 on the lookout. In a bullish situation, Chilliz could outperform the $144.88 mark for 2050, exhibiting likely vertical energy. The negative cost expectation for Chilliz CHZ in 2040 is $83.65, with a possible high of $103.39. Chilliz value expectation 2024. Chilliz cost is figured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.12595 in 2024. According to our discoveries, the CHZ cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.18831 with the typical estimate cost of $0.11645. Chilliz value expectation 2025. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of Chilliz is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $1.2033. The CHZ cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.2773 with the typical exchanging cost of $1.2299. CHZ value estimate for 2026. The cost of Chilliz is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $2.25 in 2026. The Chilliz cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $88.70 with the typical exchanging cost of $340 all through 2026. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2027. The cost of Chilliz is anticipated to reach at least worth of $45.92 in 2027. The Chilliz cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $5,690 with the typical exchanging cost of $47.59 all through 2027. Chilliz value forecast 2028. The cost of Chilliz is anticipated to reach at least degree of $6,792 in 2028. The Chilliz cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.7948 with the typical cost of $0.6982 all through 2028. Chilliz value expectation 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of CHZ, in 2029 the cost of Chilliz is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0.9994. The CHZ cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.17 with the typical exchanging cost of $1.03. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2030. Chili's cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.47 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the Chz cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.78 with the typical estimate cost of $1.52. Chiliz Value Estimate 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Chz, in 2031 the cost of Chiliz is estimated to be at around a base worth of $2.12. The Chiliz value worth can arrive at a limit of $2.60 with the typical exchanging worth of $2.18 in used. Chiliz Chz Value Expectation 2032. The cost of one Chiliz is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $3.12 in 2032. The Chz cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $3.71 with the typical cost of $3.23 all through 2032. Chiliz Value Forecast 2033. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of Chiliz is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $4.63. The Chz cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $5.50 with the typical worth of $4.79. Chiliz Value Figure 2040. The reception and genuine use instances of a digital money are similarly crucial contemplations. Projects with functional applications and boundless reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Chiliz cost gauge for 2040, Chz is expected to arrive at a most extreme value worth of $103.39 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of Chz coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $83.65, while the typical cost of the Chiliz for 2040 is projected to be $89.69. Chz value figure for 2050. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is critical, however opinion can be flighty. Looking at current market elements can offer experiences into potential cost developments. However, taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2050, the most extreme cost of Chiliz is supposed to reach $144.88, with a typical exchanging worth of $133. The base cost is projected to be around $125.86. Chiliz Value Conjecture Facts. What amount does Chiliz cost in 2025? The cost of Chiliz will increment as additional financial backers engage in the task. In year 2025, Chiliz will be worth about a normal cost of $122.99. What is the Chiliz cost today? Today, Chiliz Chz is exchanging at $1.165 with the market cap of $124.62,309,000. How high might Chiliz at any point go? The typical cost of Chiliz Chz could go to $0.20645 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will handily come to the $0.6982 mark. Is Chiliz Chz a wise speculation? Chiliz's worth is supposed to keep on growing, as deficiency will in general support cost rise. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any venture. Simply put,